My name's Justin and I'm right now at HairClub Minneapolis. I'm about to get my hair back. So why don't you come with me on this journey? Yeah, man, I think the biggest thing that I'm most excited about is a new hairline, a better hairline. I think everybody that has ever done this before would like to style their hair up, but you're kind of worried about whether or not you can do that. And so that's the thing that I'm the most excited about.
All right, so really cool. So we're gonna take everybody who's watching this through the steps of your appointment.
Okay.
They're gonna watch the technology that we're gonna put on you today. And then at the end, man, it's gonna be like a grand reveal.
Man, I can't wait.
I'm super excited for you.
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
I started losing my hair at 17. Like, it was awful. I remember that I was in denial at first. So I'd like measure where my hairline was by this birthmark that I have. I tried every lotion, every potion, everything that you could come up with. If it was at the pharmacy, if it was on an infomercial, like you name it, I tried it. None of it worked. And then I went and did something about it by going to HairClub. And it should have been, I always tell people, it should have been the first place that I went, but it was the last place that I went. And I don't know why I put it off as long as I did, but I was then, at that point, I was like 21, 22, went in there, got my hair back, and never looked back. So I've actually now been a client for almost 20 years, but I can't imagine my life any other way. I just really can't. I'm super active in my life. I've got 2 young kids, and so they're constantly wrestling and yanking on my hair. And you know, one big reason that I wanted to do something is I've got a young family. Like, I need to look young, right? So recently I challenged myself and I was like, I'm gonna get in better shape and I'm gonna really put it all to the test. I did an obstacle race. It was absolutely amazing. And at the end, my hair looked just as great as when I started. The thing I always tell people is, the only regret you're gonna have is that you didn't do it sooner. Because you could be experiencing all of the things that I experience right now. You could have done that 5 years earlier, 10 years earlier. And so that would be what I would want you to know. Do something right now, there's no reason not to. One of the best things I've ever done for myself was coming to HairClub and getting my hair back.